the vet suggested us come up to Dr. Finn, to a holistic vet. So I came up here, I talked to Dr. Finn, or talked to the office, and we went over some preliminaries, and I really felt comfortable. And when I just saw the care and the love that they give to each dog is so important to Dr. Finn, and the outcome, where I thought here I was going to be saying goodbye to my pet in a few months, if not a few weeks, because she was in such bad shape that sometimes she acts like a puppy still. This is a different dog. This is phenomenal. The outcome is phenomenal. I'd do it all over again.